What is good, Lottery Sox fam? Obviously, it's late at night. I didn't get to upload throughout the day. It's been a long weekend. Happy Sunday. God bless all of you guys. My cat's tail is in the screen right now. I want to kind of just talk really quick. It's going to be a brief video, prep you for what is to come this week. And even if you watch it by the time the market opens, you're still going to want to watch this video all the way through. Probably not going to make it as long as a normal video since we're just sitting here talking really quick. Obviously, it is a very exciting week coming into Roaring Kitty being back for GameStop and AMC, as well as lining up with the point of interest that we have for these plays. But it's also earnings week for GameStop. This is Tuesday after market close. This is going to be fun, okay? The fact that everything is happening and Roaring Kitty is coming back prior to earnings, we're getting a little bit of a run up. This is an exciting week. We saw call options being purchased for GameStop. Yes, those were sold off a little bit after. Was it to trap people? That's for another topic. Other things that we have to pay attention to this week is CPI inflation data. Okay, this is very important. August CPI comes out this week, and this is going to decipher what the Fed is going to do come September 18th for the cut. So the week leading into rate cuts, so this week, the week before, is going to decipher what Jerome Powell is likely to do when rate cuts do come out. So as of right now, the market's pricing in between a 0.25 cut and a 0.5 cut, depending on the CPI inflation data, right? Because Powell said before, he said, depending on the data is what is going to cause us to cut, if we cut, and by how much we cut. So basically, the data leading into it is going to decide, and that's this week. We also have PPI inflation data on Thursday, and then continuing jobless claims on Thursday. MI consumer confidence, consumer sentiment data on Friday. On Thursday, we also have initial jobless claims data. Monday, tomorrow, or today, whenever you're watching this, OPEC monthly report. Or I'm sorry, that's going to be on Tuesday as well. Okay, so we have those events to pay attention to for this week. Obviously, there are some other ones. Big Lots, I thought, was reporting. Okay, so I'm seeing right now, hang on one second, because this got postponed and the date changed here. Okay, I just got confused really quick. So apparently, this is also very odd. Big Lots, oh, so they got their earnings postponed from Friday now to this upcoming Thursday. So that's a little bit odd as well. Sorry if that took a minute. Okay, so we have GameStop, AMC, very exciting coming into the week. CPI data, main things we're going to pay attention to. Then leading into the market, obviously Nvidia has been selling off. Is this whole thing going to be a fire sale? Is Roaring Kitty's crash emoji going to mean also merger because it stands for collision? Is there going to be a merger during the earnings call? Is GameStop going to announce anything? Are they going to announce what they're going to do with the $4 billion cash? Also, another stock that we've talked about, this is not a sponsor or a promo, but one of the stocks that we talked about that was a promo, if you guys ever got in, was BioStem. That reports Monday after the close. BSEM could be another potential squeeze play. I didn't really look into it prior to this video. I'm just looking right now. So these are the main things we have. Still holding calls, still holding shares for AMC, GameStop, everything looking beautiful. Ultimately, whatever happens this week, it matters because you could line yourself up very perfectly. But even if you don't time the market, we could be seeing fire sales in the near future. So if you want to take risk off and see what kind of happens this week and next week, you may see some fire sales. And if you miss the fire sales, you may just be able to play the trend. Either way, those are the two easy money making opportunities that I see coming ahead for all of us. All right. So shout out to you guys. Overall, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed your weekend. I'd love to see your comments. If you're not in yet, make sure to get in the Discord. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. The Discord is the third link in the description. And if you want free stocks, you can use my Moomoo link, open an account, hook both of us up. And once you open an account and make a deposit in there, you will get your free stocks. I guess that is it. Obviously, there are some other things I could go over and go into depth with, but that's not for this video. This is just a late night one. And I will have an upload tomorrow, normal time, hopefully around noon, early afternoon. That's when I should have a video up for you guys. But that is it. I love you guys. Again, have a good night. Or if you're watching this in the morning, let's get ready to make some money this weekend. If you're watching this in the morning or at night, make sure, again, to be in the Discord. I only charge a coffee. I'm not waxing people. So that's it. Peace. Good night.